Connecting CJ Dropshipping to Shopify involves integrating the two platforms to streamline order fulfillment and product management. Here's a concise guide. Create a CJ Dropshipping account. Sign up for an account on CJ Dropshipping if you don't have one. Ensure that your products are available on CJ Dropshipping's platform. Install CJ Dropshipping app on Shopify. In your Shopify admin, go to the Shopify App Store and search for the CJ Dropshipping app. Install the app on your Shopify store. Authorize and connect accounts. Open the CJ Dropshipping app on Shopify. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize and connect your CJ Dropshipping account with your Shopify store. Import products. Once connected, you can start importing products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. The app usually provides options to select specific products or import entire product catalogs. Manage inventory and prices. Use the app to manage inventory levels, product descriptions, and prices. Any changes made on CJ Dropshipping will be reflected in your Shopify store and vice versa. Order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, CJ Dropshipping will handle the fulfillment. The app typically automates the process, sending the order details to CJ Dropshipping for packing and shipping. Sync tracking information. Once an order is shipped, tracking information is usually synced back to your Shopify store, allowing customers to track their orders. Test orders. Before going live, consider placing a few test orders to ensure that the integration is working smoothly.